Imagine a bike hitting 186 miles per hour and leaning almost 60 degrees, with a tank full of fuel slamming around inside. At that speed, fuel slosh becomes a nightmare. The gas inside the tank gets thrown around by insane G-forces, and if too much of it shifts at once, the bike's center of mass moves with it. But MotoGP found a genius fix: fuel tank foam. It's a porous polyurethane block that breaks that wild fuel wave into tiny, controlled ripples. So instead of a mini tsunami inside the tank, the bike gets smooth, stable fuel flow, even in brutal corners. So next time you see a rider carve a perfect turn, remember, it's not just skill. A tiny foam block is doing half the work.